We are at the Champagne Waterfall Reception. As you can see, everybody is dressed in the nines. This is going to be a big night here on the cruise. We're going to have the Champagne Waterfall Reception here. And then after that, we're going to be going to a show, a musical and dance review. And then we'll be going through the Grand Casino on our way home. So please enjoy.
Waterfall Reception. It gives me a great pleasure to introduce you one of the hosts of tonight. He, of course, one of our assistant maitres. Please give it up for Armando! Our fantastic bar department put this together. How many glasses did we get all in one formation?
475.
475 glasses. Nice round of applause!
Can you believe 475 glasses still stacked up on each other? Amazing.
Champagne pourer right over here. What's your name? Where are you from?
Dawn, I'm from Australia.
Awesome. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the champagne flow. Let the waterfall begin. Ladies and gentlemen, our captain will be back at 7:45 to introduce the senior officers and give us a quick speech. In the meantime, enjoy our champagne waterfall. One more round of applause all the way from Australia.
The Waterfall Reception is over. We're here in the Princess Theater, going to see a musical and dance review, which should be great. Musical and dance review lasted for about 45 minutes, and now we're walking through the Grand Casino. As you can see, it's packed. It'll be packed to the wee hours in the morning. A lot of people really enjoy coming here and gambling.